Hello and welcome to my show. This is called How to Make Dr. Carbonated Coffee Bubly Raspberry. First thing you gotta do is open up this Bubly Raspberry carbonated water and you pour it into this cup. Then after that, you pour in the coffee, and then after that, gotta let it settle. And after that, you pour, you pour in 2 cubes of, or maybe 3 cubes of and now 3 cubes of white sugar. Before it was 3 cubes of raw sugar, but that's the best sugar to have. And there's a foam on top, and then we gotta stir it up to make it better. Gotta take this foam off, make it look better. And here is your Dr. Carbonated Coffee Bubly Raspberry. Enjoy it, have fun with it, drink it, and bon appetit everyone, and thank you for watching.